Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel which is unboxing the beauty hacks. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you all my emergency kit essential. So all these are curated towards my needs, but you can customize it like yours. So let's get started. Now firstly, this is a pouch. It's very nice brown color pouch. Um, that I have got online. So nowadays, as you know guys, sanitizer is very important. I always carry this convenient sanitizer, and next is glue stick. Who knows that when and how you needed this to stick light-weighted papers. In this pandemic time we have to wear a mask, so I always carry an extra disposable mask. Tissues are very useful for oil or water absorbing. You should carry mint to refresh your mouth, or you can also carry fennel seeds. Now if you are someone who wears makeup, then carry. If you are not, then don't. You can have makeup according to your choice. Hair tie or scrunchie always have in your bag. If you are in open hair and want to tie, you can carry soap strips if you are going somewhere for traveling and don't want to carry any soap, so you can have these mini soap strips for hand wash or something else. Now I always carry 2 or 4 banded. God forbid if me or someone else needed this as normal injury. I love perfumes, and this is one ransom pour perfume. Very versatile, small, compact, and also travel friendly. If you are someone who like perfumes, you should carry at least a little one. Highly recommended to all of you buy this toilet sanitizer for personal hygiene. You're going outside for traveling. Wooden comb is very helpful for normal nourishing hair. I always use this wooden comb for my hair. Then there is a very important, if you have to fill up something, you have to carry a pen. Girls, you should always carry defense paper spray to protect yourself. Don't worry, it's available commercially for protection, and it's also not illegal. So you should always carry this in your bag or in your pocket of your bag, from where you can easily have it out. Safety pins are useful according to the situation, whether it is to chain something or tie something. Feviquick is useful for assemble something in a wide range. It is useful to sticking rubber, plastic, or other components. I always carry some painkiller or headache uh, tablet. You can also carry some painkiller, but after consulting to your doctor. I know nowadays in digitalization we pay online anywhere, but you should have some cash. Even I carry change also. Next is something very important. These are sanitary napkins. This is nothing to be ashamed of, and you must, take out with all confidence as a sign of good health. You can carry this in this small little pouch, or as you want to carry. If your skin is itchy and dry, you should must have it. uh, After applying hand sanitizer, you can apply this hand cream. This is very useful for your dry hands. In summers, I always carry these wet wipes for cleansing or removing makeup from my face. And next one is carry table or protein bars in your handbag, something which is said to be really essential because it won't be let you eat something junk kind of a thing outside the market. So that's it guys, I hope you like this video. If you do, make sure give this video thumbs up and subscribe, and let me know what you keep in your emergency kit in the comment section. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.